Okay, the new Lemoistar FT9 is now in stock. We tested a lot of different model, different brand, all the different quality, big, small, you have it. This is the only one that works very well. No sound, you see, very silent. I put near the microphone in here. It is very powerful. You can see my hand moving, but no sound because this is a cordless motor. This is what they call the DC motor. DC, not all are cordless. There are some cord motor. This is cordless. It's floating on a ball bearing. You go Google and find out what that means. This fan we tested 1 whole month, never off. It's been running for 1 whole month already. Every time you come to the shop and see it's been running. So far, no problem. You can angle, so you mount it, you can up and down angle. There was some model can turn left and right, but more mechanism like this, failure rate higher, so we avoid all those things. This one still more solid, more robust, good for your outfield use. Got bigger, smaller, but this is just nice 8-inch. You keep in your field bag or what, it's not too bulky, just nice. Too small, not enough volume. Then there is a light. So outfield, you use not say super ridiculously bright, but it's a soft flood. It won't blind you in the fucking face. So it's a diffuse soft floodlight, not a spotlight. So it works well. Oh yeah, because it's cordless, you get to do this stepless. So low until high is a very micro step. Of course, you can set a timer to it, but if you find it useful, that is good for you. And the battery can last 24 hours non-stop. We tested it's really 24 hours. So this is the no bullshit, good quality one. You're set at a good price so everybody can afford to buy.